Hello and welcome to my channel Faith Cooks, dear viewers. Today is the recipe which I always cook in my home, instant rava dosa, and it's very easy to make and a healthy option instead of soaking dals and then grinding into the paste. And I make like this. I am sharing with you my recipe and it's very delicious. Hope you like it, and it's very crispy. So here are the boiled potatoes I took, and then I have grated them. And this is the semolina. I have taken 2 cups, and 2 cups you can take the measuring cups. Here is the measuring cup, 1 cup, as it is there, 1 cup, as you can see. You can take like this cup or any other small cup, 1 cup. 1 small very finely chopped onions, 1 spoon of chana dal, 1 spoon of urad dal. This is the paste of the coriander, hari dhania and the green chilies, and finely paste of green coriander and green chilies as per your taste and flavor. This is the turmeric powder, cumin seed or the zira, salt to taste, water, red chili flakes, red chili powder. This is the garam masala powder, homemade. I have given the recipe. Ginger paste, amchur powder. These are the frozen peas I have taken, and the proportion of the semolina for the dosha will be 2 cups of semolina or the rava or the suji and 1 cup of yogurt. And now I will prepare. So I have taken in the pan oil, frozen peas, dal, urad dal, chana dal, cumin seed, zira and the onion, and I will saute them a little. We don't have to fry because this is the batter of the masala dosa. Here I am adding my potatoes. To this I am adding red chili flakes to taste, red chili powder to taste, turmeric powder to taste, or how much you like, half a spoon to 1/4 spoon. Here goes the amchur powder or the mango powder, 1 spoon, garam masala powder and salt to taste. I will mix them properly and fry them properly. As you can see, it has left the edges and it has become shiny, and all the potatoes batter the filling has come together. Now I am taking it out and letting it cool. So in my mixing bowl where I will mix all the items, I have taken the 2 cups of semolina or the suji or the rava and 1 cup of yogurt, ginger paste and the green coriander and the green chili paste, salt to taste, little bit of garam masala powder and little bit of turmeric powder. I am not adding any chilies to it because already I have taken the green chilies, and this dosha, as I told you, is different. I will add little by little water and I will make a not so much flowy consistency but the dosha batter consistency. This is the batter prepared and this is bit thick, but I will keep it for 15 minutes. And after that I will check so that the suji or the rava or the semolina may become swollen and puffed up. And after that, if water is needed, I will add again. So I am keeping this batter like this, and I will check after 15 minutes. As you can see, this is my pan which I have taken. I have poured little bit of oil to it and my pan is hot. So here I am taking in the spoon the batter and pouring it just like that because it's a rava dosha, and to the corners, and then I will just little bit allow it to rest. Take my filling and keep it into the center. From the sides you can add little by little, drop by drop oil. As you can see, this color here, this color is still white. I will wait till this color changes. As you can see, this is not done. I will wait. My gas is very sim, and this is the filling I have just added, and I will pat it with the spoon, and it has not been done yet. When it will be done, I will show you. As you can see, from one side it's turning golden, as you can see, and this area is also, as you can see, little it is left. So from one side I am putting with the help of the spoon on the on the batter. And this is the another side. From the down I am taking my spoon and just let it cook another for say another, because this part is not done as yet. You can check when the dosha is ready, it itself will be removed from the pan. वो अपने आप ही pan पे से हट जाता है जब वो हो जाता है ready. एंड अभी इधर का नहीं हुआ, एंड इट चेंजेस द कलर, और उसका कलर भी चेंज हो जाता है टू द गोल्डन. Look at this area. Now it is done and I am trying now. It's I didn't hassle much, and just I am tapping it on top of it. As you can see, it's the crispiest dosa I have ever tasted, and hope you try this recipe. I will now platter it, and you try it once with the coconut chutney, with the sambar. I have given the recipe of the coconut chutney, and the rava I have given the semolina idli also, rava idli also. You can check, 2-3 recipes are there, and with the chutney, coconut chutney. It's done. I am plattering it over. As you can see, my crispy rava instant dosha is ready to serve with the filling and with the coconut chutney. I have given the recipe. It's ultra delicious. Hope you try it once. I have an Instagram page and a Facebook page, Faith Cooks. If you have any queries regarding the recipes, you can ask me there. Hope you like my recipe, and for the upcoming recipes, if you want, you please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Faith Cooks. Thank you.